guys, welcome back to my channel. You know what time it is. It is Boxycharm time. This is going to be my March Boxycharm, so let's go ahead and get right into it. So I have nothing on my skin because I like to do a try on for my Boxycharm, and this month I have a lot of skincare products, so I am excited to try that out for you guys. The theme for this month is lucky, which makes sense for March. So the first item that I see in here is this Glow Recipe Banana Souffle Moisture Cream, and it's for calming and hydrating. And I definitely need hydrating for my skin. I feel like I always end up like just lathering so much moisturizer onto my skin just to give it that dewiness, you know, because my skin is more on the dry side now. The brand Glow Recipe has been blowing up like crazy on Instagram. I don't know if you guys have noticed, they had that watermelon dewdrop, I believe it's called, and people are just putting that all over their skin. It makes their skin look so nice and dewy. So I was excited when I got something from Glow Recipe so I can try it out. Now this is $39. So this is a soothing, lightweight daily moisturizer that resets, replenishes, and seals in a boost of lasting hydration for all skin types. Blended with banana, magnesium, turmeric, and cica, this sweet souffle is your recipe for calmer, hydrating, healthy-looking skin. They're saying you can use this after serum and just use a dime size, and you can use it in the morning or evening and gently pat it into your skin until it is fully absorbed. I love how this bottle looks. It is so pretty. So, oh, it smells like banana. It smells like a banana smoothie. Okay, so let's go ahead and put this right on my face. So I have nothing on my skin. I'm gonna go ahead and just put this on. That is not a dime size. That smells really good, guys. Let's pat that down. I like how that feels already, very hydrating. So yeah, let's keep moving. The next thing I have are these avocado hydrating eye masks from the Beauty Crop, and it is for hydrating, plumping, and nourishing. There are 3 packages of masks in here, and they look like this, and they look like they have like little green specks on them. Put these on. Ooh, they're very cooling. I need a good eye mask, you guys. I'm always looking for a good eye mask, a good eye cream. If you guys know of anything, let me know. And these are $18. So these are nourishing avocado and green tea infused eye mask that will hydrate and depuff your tired eyes. Avocado moisturizes and targets dry skin, while the green tea energizes and depuffs your under eyes. So, and I believe they also have chamomile in it and licorice root. So these are good for brightening your eyes. They're good for wrinkles. So yeah, my tired, puffy eyes need them. And I think you're supposed to keep them on for 15 minutes. So I'm gonna keep them on and we will keep moving. Next, I have this lip oil by Cab, and I've never heard of that brand before. Actually, I've never heard of the Beauty Crop either. Ooh, look at that. It's a pretty big tube. And this is in honeydew, and it is a lip oil. The last time I heard of like a lip oil was by NYX. So I haven't used it yet, but I'm interested to see how this is gonna, I believe it's just like a lip gloss. I do have some lip balm on, so let me just take that off. Completely dry. The only thing I don't like about eye masks is that they slip. They are slippery, but I usually like to use them while I lay down, but you know, they should be okay. So let's go ahead and get into this. Ooh, it smells really good. It smells like, almost like cream soda-ish. I like that the dofa is pretty big. These are quite hydrating. They're not like, they feel like a gloss. So you can't really see a color come through on this. As you guys can see, it is just giving it a very like glossy look, but they do feel hydrated. I'm just gonna put some on the back. Yeah, see, there's not much color to it. This is such a pretty bottle. I like this so much, and I love the color. Very nice. It does smell really good, and I do feel like my lips are very hydrated. Come on, mask, stay up. This is going to be challenging. So the next thing I have is this eyeshadow palette by Lime Crime, and it is their Venus 3 palette. It's a pretty thick palette, like look at that. And these are the beautiful colors that are in here. They're like very purple. All right, so this palette is $38 and it is filled with lilac, rose, gold, mauve, and earthy brown shades. It is ultra buttery formula, sweeps on richly pigmented color that doesn't fade or fall out. We'll see about that. It looks like it has some matte shades, it has some shimmers, and also it looks like it has some foils. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these for you guys. So this is Dreamy. I'm just gonna go over Dreamy one more time. It's really nice. It's a beautiful matte actually. Let's go into Beam. Ooh, Beam. Oh, that is pretty. Heavenly. Rapture, Ecstasy, oh, that is so pretty, Paradise, Bliss, and Beloved. This is a beautiful range of like purples. I really like that color range, and yeah, I feel like it's like pretty pigmented when I put it on the back of my hand. So I will try to do like a very simple look for you guys just to show you on my lid, and yeah, let's just go ahead and get into that. Alright, so I just went ahead and prepped my lids. I just put some concealer and some setting powder on there. So I'm going to start off by going into Dreamy, which is this beautiful pink color. Put that on as a transition color onto my crease. So yes, very pigmented so far. Alright, now I'm just going to take a little bit of Paradise right here, which is that purple color, and put that into my inner corner and my outer corner because I'm going to try to do like a halo eye. I'm basically just packing that on. So now let's go ahead to the center part that is exposed and go into Beam into the center part. It applies okay with the brush. I feel like there's a lot more flaking off. So I'm going to try to go in with my fingers and put it on that way. This color Beam is so gorgeous. And I'm just lightly using the brush to just kind of blend it in a little better with the other pink or purple. I'm actually going to take that color Dream up a little bit higher, that pink that we used originally, so like almost close to my brow bones. I really like this. I love how beautiful the color Beam is. It's just a really pretty color, and it gives it like a right amount of like shimmer and shine. So there are a lot of fallouts. As you can see, I have like some purples in here because I was really packing it on. This really helped to catch a lot of it, but it's okay because I was packing it, so I expect that. But I really like how the eyes turned out. It's just a very simple look. So let me take these off, and I mean, they do feel hydrated. I mean, I don't expect it to completely clear everything, but they do look better than before, I think. We have one more item left, so let me go finish the rest of my makeup and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I finished the rest of my eyes and my makeup, and I went into Ecstasy and Paradise for the bottom, and yeah, I really like how everything turned out. Also, I went into Heavenly for my inner corner highlight and my brow bone highlight, just a little bit, you know, and I think it turned out pretty nice. I like this purpley look. Alright, to continue, I will tell you, I still have the lip gloss on my lips. It hasn't gone anywhere. It stayed in place. As you can see, it's very glossy. But I'm actually going to take that off and put some lipstick on and put it on top of the lipstick. But I just wanted to show you guys that it did last and it did stay hydrated. Like, I didn't see any bit of that lip gloss go away this whole time while I was doing the makeup. So that's really good. I'm going to try not to swipe it because I don't want any of the lipstick to get on this. Keep it glossy. Ooh, look how glossy that is. It is so shiny and glossy. I like it. Alright, so the last item I have in my box is this Maven Beauty Rose Water Setting Spray, which is just perfect because all of my makeup is done. So that's all I need left. So this is $22. Set your intentions and your makeup with this ultra lifting antioxidant packed rose water setting spray. Mist all over your finished look to lock it down and prevent smudging for up to 16 hours. Now, I don't know about that, but those are some pretty awesome claims. But yeah, this is what the bottle looks like. Very, very pretty color. And yeah, let's just go ahead and mist this all over. Ooh, rose water. It definitely smells like rose water. I love a good like misty setting spray after like all that makeup you put on. Oh, it just feels so good. But yeah, this looks really, really good. I feel like my makeup looks like melted in. Ooh, I love it. Oh, this looks so pretty. So yeah, so that is the end of the video. That is everything that I got. I'm actually pretty happy with this box. I really like how the eyeshadow looks, and I love when I get skincare products. Last moisturizer I got from my Boxycharm, I still use it and I love it, and so I feel like I'm gonna use this as well. And yeah, I feel like the eye mask did help a little bit, just to depuff a little bit, and that's saying a lot. Overall, I'm very, very, very happy. And this lip gloss, I'm telling you guys, the glossiness is just out of this world. So let me know in the comments which product you guys like the most, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please, please, please subscribe to my channel and click that little bell icon so you get notified every time I upload. I thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Bye!